Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to one and all. Myself, Momin Shakil, your English teacher for 9th standard. Today, I shall be giving you the format for your unit test and that of your semester examination. And later on, in the same lecture, I will be giving you your portion also for the whole year. Apart from that, in the next lecture, we shall go in for various other things in future days to come. Well, the unit test portion, your format is simple and straightforward. It will be of 20 marks, where each question has 4 marks each. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, each bearing 4 marks. Question number 1, scene prose, that means we'll give one of the passage from your lessons. Question number 2, scene prose again, another passage of what I have taught you, what I have given to you, what I have written in your question on the board. Same way, question number 3 is scene poem, which I have taught you, I have explained to you, and the question answers have been given by me. Question number 4, scene poem again, same way, you get 4 questions and you have to answer each of them, no option at all. Question number 5, unseen prose. Any passage from anywhere I shall pick up and I shall be giving it to you where I have not taught you, I have not explained to you, I have not given it to you in writing either. That is why it is known as unseen prose. That's very important because something which you may not have had for the previous 8 years, it is going to be applicable in standard 9 and in standard 10. So that's your paper format for your unit test. And this is it. Now I'll move on to the semester examination where it consists of 80 marks on paper. And 20 marks will be the internal examination where we shall be taking various other different types of tests, written and oral, where it will take you 5 marks each, and we shall be calculating those 80 plus 20 internal assessment, and that will be making a total of 100 marks. Let me explain the paper format. Question number 1A and 1B will be your language study. Language study means your grammar part of it. From all the lessons and extra grammar, all that will be in that case. That consists of 4 marks, 6 marks and 4 marks respectively. Then question number 2A and 2B consisting of 10 marks each, and it will be prose section, that means the lesson that I have explained to you, I have taught you, I have given it to you in writing also. Then you have question number 3A, that's your poem part of it, poetry part of it, where I have explained to you, I have given to you in writing and consisting of 5 marks. And another question number 3B is scene appreciation. Appreciation means what you like, what you dislike of the particular poem, where you have to write at least 5 points regarding that, which I shall be giving it to you in writing. And you will be writing down and turning it up any poem from that particular portion, what is there, it will come off 5 marks. And then you have question number 4A, unseen prose. Again same way out here, question number 5 was there, unseen prose. Similarly, unseen prose will come for 10 marks, where I have not taught you, where I have not explained to you, where I have not given to you in writing either. So in that way, you have to be very well versed with something. Anything may come from anywhere. Something I may pick up from the daily newspaper, I may pick up from any magazine, I may pick up from some Glamour World or any sports magazine or any of the Indian or Marathi paper, and converting and making a proper paragraph for it, and then asking 5 questions on that, where it will be of 10 marks in that case. Now question number 4B is something totally new for you, which you have not been taught for the previous 8 years, and that is summary writing. That means summary writing is the synopsis, or you can call it the skeleton of a particular passage or a paragraph that is given on the paper of question number 4A. Question number 4A, the passage of question number 4A, you have to write a summary of that same question, which is passage of question number 4A. You cannot write anything at your will, at your way. You have to follow instructions. Particularly, the summary writing is just a skeleton of question number 4A. Passage of question number 4A is to be written in a summary writing manner, or you can call it the skeleton or the synopsis of question number 4A, again of 5 marks. Then from question number 5 onwards, your writing skill starts. From question number 5 onwards, your writing skill starts, where question number 5 only, no A, no B. 5 has a letter writing of both the types. One will be your formal letter and one will be your informal letter. So both will come. You will have an option of writing any one. Either you write the formal letter or you write the informal letter. You will be given the choice of that, and it will be of 5 marks. Next question number 6A, 6B, 7A, 7B. There will be internal options in that. There will be internal options. Anyone. Every question, 6A will have 2 questions, you have to write any one. Question number 6B will have 2 questions, you have to write any one. Then you have question number 7A, 2 questions, will have any one you write. Question number 7B will have again options in it. That means you have option in all of your writing skills. In each and every writing skill, like the question number 5 has 2 options, any one you write. So 6A, 6B, 7A, 7B. You have option in each one of them, where each writing skill consists of 5 marks completely, the total of 25 writing skill marks. If you do the totaling work, it comes up to 80 marks in that case. So here it is. I have given you the complete pattern of your semester examination, your pattern of your unit test also. So therefore, you can check it out, 20 marks in each unit test. That's your first unit test and the second unit test. And the first semester 80 plus 20, second semester 80 plus 20 in that. You have to be well versed with it in such a manner. Any questions, any queries, any doubts, you're most welcome to come and tell me in that way. So it's in such a manner, I shall give you the portion also just now, so that you can, if you would like to take down, remember you can take screenshots and rewrite this in your 200-page notebook. Remember that you can take screenshots of it as and when required, and you have to make a 200-page notebook. 200 pages notebook in that case. Apart from that, I shall be telling you now itself, I will be erasing the board. So remember, you can take screenshot as and when required. So I am erasing the board for timing, so I can give you further more instructions in this way. Where what you have to make and what you have to do. Different types of books have to be made for different types of working. So you got to be very well versed with everything and put it in such a manner so you can understand it in such a way. You have to make 3 books. You have to make 3 200 pages book. One for your writing skill, one for your writing skills, 2 for your literature part of it, where you will be writing all your question answers, literature part of it where you will be writing all your question answers, and 3 is your language part where you will be writing your grammar in it, where I shall be explaining ample amount of grammar of your previous 8 years plus for 9 standard. That means you will be having 3 200 pages notebooks, and then 1 for writing skill, 2 for literature, and 3 for language. That is your grammar part of it. Now for your portion point of view, the portion, remember to take screenshot as and when required so that you know what it is and what is not. The portion for the first unit test, first semester examination, second unit test, second semester examination. First unit test, first semester examination, second unit test, second semester examination. You'll have all in a same manner or in the manner of what you understand. It will be first unit, this will be your second unit, this will be your third unit, and this will be your fourth unit. Your textbook has been divided into 4 units. Textbook, your textbook has 4 units, and the 4 units have been divided equally according to your portion for the whole year. This is your portion for the whole year. First unit test, first unit, first semester, second unit test, third unit, second semester, fourth unit. So this is it for today's lecture. I hope I have given you your format for the unit test and for the semester exam. I have given you the portion also for the whole year. You better write it down somewhere. You can write it in any one of the books. It's better you write it in your language book, because your language book will be carried forward into 10th standard also. In that way, your 3 books you have to make of 200 page. In that way, 1 for your writing skill, 2 for your literature part of your question answers, and 3 for your language study. Most important thing here, I better inform you now itself, and then you say, sir, what happened and what not in that case. The first and foremost point, remember, is leave one line and write. This is the most important part of it, where I would like each and every student to follow this instruction. Leave one line and write whatever I give you. So in that way, this is enough for today's lecture. In that case, the next lecture I shall be discussing. There are 18 points that you have to be well versed with it. So you better be well versed in that manner, and copy out, take out screenshots of my video and write it down in such a manner. You can copy down all of that in the grammar notebook. All of the instructions, all of these points should be written down in your grammar notebook itself. Don't write in your literature book or your writing skill book, but write it in your language grammar book. Any queries, any question, 9th standard students, please keep it in mind. You are changing yourself. You are changing into a new class. System will change, pattern will change, everything is going to change. So you have to follow each and every teacher's instruction as and when instructed to you. Thank you. Jazakallah.